Yes, Masowe Semori Zimbabwe. Welcome to Hot Zim Trends, where the news comes first, right? Nasuno ndininya inonakidza singaiti nemari mukati. Right? Prophet Makandiwa vakapromisa kun'anga oro muporofita achakwanisa kufembera chinhu chinenge chiri mumwedzi wa Musowe Sunday iri kuuya musi wa 9 March 2025. Right? Saka tikuti mwana wese kwaMakandiwa this coming Sunday timbonoona 1 million ichienda. It's more like kune a prophetic cup clash aiwa kuchanakidza. Right? Nekudaro Sir Wickenell Chivayo vapindura kuna vaMakandiwa vachiti papa ndikauya nevapfana vangu vekumasowe 1 million kanoenda masikati machena. Aiwa zvinonakidza hama. Vaendera mberiwo vachiti uku Hatiuye zvedu nokuti takaparidzwa kuti hatishandise simba raMwari panjuga dzepano pasi, uye there is no need to try to prove a point kuti mweya mutsvene tinawo kumasowe. Vavatiwo zvakare aiwa muchapupura henyu mega kana musati mabvuma, right? Ndo matauro aita Sir Wickenell Chivayo. Saka with me here is a list of maporofita nenyanga dzemuno muZimbabwe yatinoti the cream and the black cream yemuno, right? Pekutanga tina sekuru banda, right? Toyo sekuru tasu ananatsika mutandatu zetu vakati wandei vane mazita akasiyana siyana. Toendo sekuru kafera anana gogo chioro singakanganwe bambo makuyana raive renyu Chivayo vanetsa mastreets aive, right? Tozopesirona bati the time travel, right? Toendo kumaporofita edu nemaprophets tina Passion Java, right? Toendo Magaya, Prophet Magaya, toendo Prophet Miracle Paul, not forgetting Hubert Angel namadzibaba magrazi tisingakanganwe futi madzibaba masango namadzibaba bondi ekuchitungiza. Tozotaura zvayari kwekupedzisira madzibaba Owen vaive helicopter nchiti aiwa 1 million yakakumirai, right? Aiwa ukuchanakidza. So I would love you to watch this video, but please don't forget to subscribe and like to Hot Zim Trend so that we continue giving you more updates. I love you.
Makuwa chete pa social media pa chipu yakaromba kune mishonga inodai.
Right now social media is awash with gossip.
Wakabo verify nganga dzedu muno kuti dzinozigona izvozvo.
If you really even verified our witch doctors, our local ones, if they are able really to do that.
Aumanaka.
Come on.
Power hariko. And no man's all power, but the Antichrist will have all power. It doesn't mean any power.
It doesn't mean
his brain is the one.
It's the people's brains.
Those who have power go one has no power. His brain is the one.
The people's lack of understanding gives power to people with no power.
Ngambouya akavati demonstrator haisati tomboita zvokuti munhu anozonzikana akuda kuisa mari inongo variko kavanda zvekunzi unomuka pasi pemubhedha pakazara mari, mawadrobe akazara mari, anongodaiswa
your wardrobe is full of money or your mattress is full of money. Let them come and demonstrate.
Yakawanda kudaro iri mishonga.
Having that much money and yet it's a result of witchcraft.
Aiwa ndiri muprofita zvangu ndakatotendeuka pa ndidedze uda kumuona.
I'm a prophet, I'm born again, but call me, I would want to see.
Ndinouya ndidedze taiwana.
You let me know. We found it and I'll say,
ini kana akunditira handimusiya akapfeka mazvigemenzi mazichibvisa hembe itamusha apa mari ngaibuda.
Now when it comes to it for me, I won't let him away that attire that they do. I'll say, dress properly, come and now let's demonstrate.
Munhu anouya akaita chigure zvikorobho zvese miri aumboziva kuti upokaruka yangoti pfuu mari.
Where he can conceal all that money underneath all of his garments. No.
Hatina kuzviquestiona. That's why iwewe wacho ukapfuma iwewe you are going to be a victim.
We have no one questioning that.
Dzinza rako rese richabhilivha kuti iwe wakaromba uita zvemishonga.
The day you become wealthy, people are going to believe that you have also engaged in some sort of ritual practice.
Ndiani ane simba racho?
Who has that?
Tipewo mazita en'anga idzi.
Can we have a list of the names of these witch doctors?
Tipewo mazita en'anga idzi. Tipewo. Vanhu vari kuzvishandira usiku hwese, munhu ari pakombiyuta kuti zvinhu zvake zvifambe, mari dzake dzobuda, zvonzi akadii.
And having done all that, people accuse them of witchcraft.
And the level yedu yekusadzidza nekusachenjera tinongobhilivha.
And with our level of being unlearned, we'll just believe anything.
I'm not
talking about things that are very distant from you. I'm giving you a test right here.
Alright, kana paina anoporofita.
Okay, if anyone can prophesy,
kana n'anga inoona,
or there's a witch doctor who can see,
inoudzwa zvinhu namadhimoni,
who gets to hear things from demons.
right?
Yes?
Toronga munogona kuuya pano musi weSunday.
Can arrange that you come here on Sunday.
Matirana.
We're not praying for each
Handite
other.
zvinhu zviri difficult ndoisa chinhu muhomwe.
I'll put something in my pocket.
Anenge andiudza kuti chii.
The one who can tell me what is in my pocket.
Ndiri kunobhorowa $1 million.
I will
US dollars.
borrow 1 million.
1 million.
1 million.
Pamberi pevanhu panapa.
In
Tosainirana.
front of all these people, we sign an
Tosainirana.
agreement.
Mira.
Wait, hold on.
Muri kuti kune vano because muri kuti kune mweya.
Because you are saying
kune vanoudzwa zvinhu namadhimoni nevanoprofita.
And they hear from demons, okay.
Toita handina mari iyoyo bandiri kuti.
I don't have that money, but I'm saying.
Tinosainirana, unondisungisa, unondisuwa.
We'll sign an agreement where you can
Handisi
sue
kuita
me.
zviri divi, handisi kuda zita rani kana
I
chii
don't
kana
make it
chii.
difficult, no names or anything like that.
Ndinoya pana ndokuti ndine chii muhomwe mangu.
I'll stand here and say what is in my pocket.
Woneswa nemweya.
And the spirit that
Whether
shows
uri
will
false
show you.
prophet kana uri muprofita wechokwadi
Whether you're
ndomukana
false or
wako
true
wokusunguka.
prophet, this is
Which
your
means by 1
opportunity,
million
right?
uchatenga stand yechechi.
Because on 1 million you buy a stand for the church.
Yes,
PA system.
I'm ready.
Yes, that's right.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready. Handisi joke iyi.
I'm not joking.
Handina kuti profita zviri kuAmerica ndati muhomwe.
I didn't say prophesy about
Ichira
America.
chete.
I'm saying just in my pocket. It's just this piece of fabric.
Ungonditi prophet mune chakati.
And you just say, prophet, there's such and such in your pockets.
Unosaina vanhu vakatarisa panapa.
We'll sign this agreement as people are watching.
1 million ndonoikwereta ndokupa.
I'll go and borrow 1 million. And
Ndopa
I'll give it
uchaona
to you.
kuti zvauri kunyeperwa iwewe kuti vanhu vanoona kunzou.
And that's why you see that there's
Ndikudaidza
lies.
chero n'anga inoona
Even if a witch
iri
doctor
kuda
would see,
1 million.
they would definitely want 1 million.
Muzimbabwe yese
In the entirety of
kana ari
Zimbabwe.
kunigeria ndomuflya ngau.
Even if he's in Nigeria, you can fly him in, let him come.
Drivers.
Take your seats.
Please isai pa social media.
Please put this part on social media.
Whether he's in Nigeria,
Whether it's in Nigeria,
Nairobi,
Nairobi,
Uganda,
Uganda.
I will fly you. Ukatadza kuzviita unondi refund.
If you fail to pass this test, you refund me.
Sit down. This is the only way we can deliver you from this delusion. Zvokufunga kuti vanhu vane mapowers sitereke kune mishonga kunzwa kune chii. 0. Vanhu havana chavainacho.
People have got nothing at all. It's a
Yema-citizens.
It's the delusion of the citizens.
Satambe nepower.
Don't play with power.
Sit down. So please, on Sunday, nangosvika,
As soon as I arrive,
let me know. Kana paina auya.
if there's anyone who will come,
Matables edu ari open nayo.
Our tables are open.
Notify pastors edu kuti Pastor Sungai, you come, you see this man.
you come and see,
What iwewe unoona,
and you say that you can see
unoratidzwa.
that you are a person of vision.
Whether wabva kuchechi yekupi kana white garment kana chii,
Which country?
uri kunzi maprophets ikoko. But mari munoida handitika.
But you want money, right?
Uya aiwa hakuzi kubhadharisa. Ndinataura izvozvo. Uya, yoisa.
I'm the one that's saying, so come. And then
Wandiudza,
and you let
ndokupa.
me know, and I'll give it to you.
Ramai, vari kumhepo hangakusiya uchitambudzika paine mari yakadai so.
You can't allow people to continue to
Hakuna
struggle when
zvakadaro.
there's this kind of money on the table. No.
Sit down. You know what they are going to do? They will blame it on me kuti iye wacho ndiye ari kubloka.
He will say that I'm the one that's blocked.
Totsvaga mumwe.
They will look for another person,
Asiri inini.
not me.
Vachati futi chechi inoyi iri kundibloka.
They will say that this church is the one that's blocking.
Kusvika taenda pauri kuda, as long as you can tell me.
Until we go to the location that you want.
Hatisi kuti taga macodes manhamba.
I'm not saying look for something
Uri
complicated like
kungotaurira
codes and
bedzi
numbers.
kuti chii.
Just tell me what.
Ziso rinongoona kuseri kwejira kuti chii.
And I can just see beyond one piece of fabric.
Mishonga yese, nyora dzese dzamiinadzo, ingondiudza kuti mune chakati.
Just tell me what is in my
Ndonza
pocket.
chechi yese kuti chokwadi uyu munhu aona.
And then I'll tell the whole church that this person has seen well.
Ndonokutsvagira mari yako ndikasakupa
And
ondisuwa.
I'll look for your money, and if I don't give it to you, you sue me. Then all of this, the people say that there's witchcraft, there's been rituals, here's the money on the table.
Because my clients
Don't tell me that you are not interested in money because you charge your clients.
So level delusion
right now, your level of delusion
the prophet must be careful.
He's telling you the prophet needs to be careful. Just in case there's somebody who can actually see. I'm saying, if you know them, go ahead and call them and bring them. This is the only way that we can destroy this life, because anything else.
Sit down, please. Sit down. Men of God, if God is raising you and this is your opportunity, you are not going to struggle in ministry. Imagine God has opened this door. 1 million. You are a true prophet and you want to start a ministry. And God is showing you things. You hear the defenses that they start to give. You know, Mara just go like that.
Now you
I didn't
say only the God people, even witch doctors. Witch doctors. And if you have your own personal witch doctor,
my politicians gonna meet inganga zenyu don't cannot tester what you go to maru
a witch doctor that you consult with.
This is your chance.
This is your chance to test them.
1 million. So serious.
The moment that they refuse, then you know that this person has been deceiving you. The crook.
You know, 1 million grocery.
And yet you buy groceries and they accept and they will refuse 1 million?
What I'm trying to destroy here is a delusion that empowers the Antichrist. And the Antichrist comes and he ends up doing signs and wonders. Yet they are not signs after all. They are not wonders after all. It is the delusion of the people.